Two Samsung phones, two very different prices. One question, which one actually gives you more for your money in 2026? The Galaxy A56 and the Galaxy A17 5G are both sitting in the mid-range and budget tiers right now, and the gap between them is bigger than it looks on paper. Let's break it down properly. Subscribe before we start. We do these deep dives every week. The Galaxy A56 is Samsung's upper mid-range offering for 2025 going into 2026, and TechRadar called it everything a budget phone should be, and more. The Exynos 1580 chipset paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM delivers a Geekbench multi-core score of 3,877, making it a genuinely capable daily performer for multitasking, social media, streaming, and moderate gaming without any meaningful lag or stutter. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display runs at 120 Hz with HDR support and peaks at 1,900 nits in direct sunlight, noticeably sharper and more responsive than anything in the budget tier. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protects both the front and back, and the aluminum frame gives it a build quality that competes with phones at double the price. IP67 water resistance means it survives a 30-minute submersion at 1 meter. The 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging delivers over 10 hours of screen-on time and hits 55% in 30 minutes. Solid numbers for a full workday without needing a top-up. The triple camera setup leads with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro, handling everyday photography well. 6 years of full OS updates and 6 years of security patches mean this phone will be supported through Android 21. At $499 at launch, with prices now dropping significantly, the A56 is the more premium investment with a clear long-term case. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. The Galaxy A17 5G is Samsung's entry-level answer in 2026. A $199.99 phone that Phone Arena called best in class for dirt-cheap phones in the US. That framing tells you everything about its positioning. It is not competing with the A56 on specs. It is competing on accessibility, and within that context, it delivers a surprising amount. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display at 90 Hz is one of the most compelling features at this price. AMOLED panels are rare under $200, and the result is a screen that looks significantly better than the LCD displays common in this tier. Resolution matches the A56 at 2,340 by 1,080, though brightness peaks at 800 nits versus the A56's 1,900. The Exynos 1330 chipset with a Geekbench multi-core score of 2,240 handles everyday tasks comfortably, but struggles under sustained gaming loads and heavy multitasking. The 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging lasts all day in real-world use, though optimization leaves something to be desired given the efficient chipset and display inside. OIS on the 50-megapixel main camera is a genuine differentiator at this price. Most $200 phones skip OIS entirely. IP54's splash resistance offers basic protection, and the build uses plastic rather than glass and aluminum. The headline feature for many buyers is the 6 years of OS updates. The same promise as the A56, taking the A17 to Android 19 and security patches through 2032. For a $200 phone, that long-term commitment is extraordinary and changes the value equation significantly. Honest call between these two, the Galaxy A56 wins on every hardware metric that matters to a daily user. Faster processor, brighter 120 Hz display, premium glass and aluminum build, IP67 water resistance, 45 watts faster charging, a better main camera sensor, and significantly stronger gaming and multitasking performance. If you can spend $350 to $499, the A56 is the right phone, and the gap in day-to-day experience is genuinely noticeable. The Galaxy A17 5G wins on price and practical value for the right buyer. At $199.99, it delivers an AMOLED display with OIS on the main camera, 6 years of software updates, and solid all-day battery life. Features you simply do not expect under $200. For first-time smartphone buyers, students, parents buying a child's first phone, or anyone who just needs a reliable daily communication device with a beautiful screen and long-term support, the A17 5G makes a compelling, honest case. The choice is not really about which phone is better. The A56 is clearly the more capable device. The choice is about whether the upgrade is worth $150 to $300 more for your specific needs. If performance, display quality, gaming, and build premium matter to you, spend the extra. If reliability, a great screen, and long software support at the lowest possible price are the priority, the A17 5G delivers more than its price suggests. Both links are in the description below. That is the Samsung Galaxy A56 versus the Galaxy A17 5G. Two phones built for two very different budgets, both offering more than you might expect at their price points. Drop which one you would pick in the comments, and if this helped you decide, you know where the subscribe button is.